Yo, what is up mga katropa? Another episode today. I have a guy here wants to do his brakes, so might as well show it to you guys how to do it. It's a Nissan. Not really sure what it is, but it's a small Nissan, needs a new brakes. So I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys an update and I'll show you what kind of car it is. I'm not really sure what year it is, but it's a Nissan. So anyway guys, I'll give you guys an update. Peace! Alright guys, first thing you do, take out all the bolts here, and there's a special lock for it, so that's the first thing you guys have to do. Do not put the car up until you just loosen a little bit of the bolt, or if you have the air tool, you can lift up the car, but make sure you have the jack stand on the side so you guys won't get hurt. And enjoy the video. Hey guys, we're back. So tools you want to have is one of these. Open this thing up. Yeah, what I do guys is get a small block that can go in here, and then you just clamp it just like that. As you can see, you will see the piston, it's gonna move back. This piece is gonna move back, so as soon as I start pressing this thing, it will go down, so that when you have your new brakes in, you're not gonna be fighting on take it out that thing. So make sure guys, when you guys are taking this off, there's gonna be two pieces of, it's like a lock pin, so don't lose this piece. Same thing as the bottom part here. Slide this piece out. There you go. There you go guys, everything slid in, everything's good. So just to make sure guys, do not lose these. So anyway, guys, I just replaced this new to a new one, same thing as this. But guys, when you guys are pulling it out, make sure you guys clean it when you guys are putting the new one in, and then try to lubricate a little bit in the bottom here. If you can see it, oh no, okay, try to lubricate the bottom of this piece here, so you guys won't have a problem when you guys put it in. So anyways, I'll just quickly pop this out and put the new one in when you guys are doing your brakes. So you guys take this out. This is the old rusty one. Clean that, make sure it's clean. So that you won't. There you go. This way. Alright guys, there it is. It's lit, and now lubricate here. There you go. Lubricate here and lubricate here. There you go. What's up mga katropa? Another day. It's too hot. Anyway, just want to let you guys know the video today was a 2015 Nissan Versa. I did change the brake pads on it. I recommended the customer to change the rotor as well, but I guess he didn't want to do it. So anyway guys, I hope you guys learn a lot. I try to be as detailed as I can to show you guys how to do it yourself. I tried not to talk too much because of the noise background. It's way too noisy at the background. So anyway guys, I hope you guys love it. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel Motivated Pinoy, and please turn on the notification below. Any updates that I do, it will pop out right away and you guys can see and watch it. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.